It has been a busy time for insurance agents, with homeowners all across the area recovering from last month's tornado. They're also taking this time to remind all of us to stay up to date on our own insurance policies so we're ready for any disasters. THV11's Brooke Buckner joined us now with advice from those experts.
Yeah, Rolly and Faith, they tell me it's better to be over-prepared when it comes to insurance so you're not left surprised when your policy doesn't cover everything. They also say inflation could play a role in how much money you get back for your home.
It's by far the worst storm I've ever seen personally, and the worst storm ever for our agency as well.
Darren Hoover with McGee Insurance says they filed more than 100 claims since the tornado on March 31st.
The first week was really bad, and we didn't have power for 3 days. So a lot of people were working from home. I worked up here and took claims in person.
Now things are slowing down a bit at the office.
We think all the claims have been filed now, and we think everyone's in a pretty good spot.
But he says we can all do better with our insurance by reviewing policies at least once a year to stay as prepared as possible.
You never think that disasters are going to strike, but it has definitely struck.
He recommends a replacement cost policy to get more coverage.
The replacement cost policy costs more. It can increase every year in price because the value of the home increases in price, but it will pay to replace your home.
Inflation can also impact the cost to repair or rebuild. It's something John Turner sees every day on the job with his construction company.
If people are looking at a replacement cost of their home, it's significantly more than it was just 4 or 5 years ago.
Turner says it's because labor and construction materials keep going up in cost.
I think we've seen costs go up probably 10 to 15% over the last 3 or 4 years.
He says a lot of homeowners have policies that cover the cost of the home's condition before the storm, and sometimes they expect to get more money than what they actually receive.
That may not be what the homeowner's expecting. If that home hasn't been updated in 15 or 20 years, there's a significant difference between those homes and a new home.
Your insurance provider should be your first call, but if you still need assistance beyond that, there is still FEMA help available. We have information about how to apply on THV11.com.